Welcome back to another quick video. Today we've got something a little different. This is a Britain's ERTL 621F wheel loader. This is a Case, New Holland. This is a 1/16 scale, and it does have some lights and sounds. This one's in good condition, but it definitely has a little bit of play wear. There's the cab there. The back of the cab is open, as you can see there, and then the buttons for the sound are on the top here. I'll go ahead and push those and let you listen. Alright, that's about it. Appreciate you watching.